Okay guys, today we're going to talk about regular press maintenance. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you on the Hornady AP Lock and Load, but in general, the principles will apply to whatever press you have. So that said, I have nearly, 40 to 50,000 cycles on this press. A lot of that is just sizing bullets, not necessarily reloading or sizing cases or whatever, rifle cases. But still, 40 to 50,000 cycles, and it still works like it's brand spanking new. That's because I take care of it. Also, it's a really good quality press, and honestly, the maintenance comes down to two things. A, keeping it clean, and B, keeping it lubricated. That's literally it. So to show you how I keep it clean, I like to use an air compressor just to clean it off. And then I honestly just blow it off. So okay, so that just keeps the dust out, keeps gunk out, keeps little powder coat things from when I'm sizing bullets, just random crap. It just keeps it clean and without any obstruction or anything like that. You can go more in depth. You can get a cloth and you can kind of clean up all these little things. You can clean up everywhere else. And yeah, you could probably do that too from time to time. I honestly have it on this. Still works great like it's brand new. So that's one, keep it clean. Okay, the second one is keep it lubricated. So on this press, there are actually 3 grease zerts. So there's one right here, and then there's one here, and one here. So on this press, about once every 10 to 15,000 cycles, I'll take this guy, hook it up to the grease zerts, and I'll add grease until I can see the grease coming out of the sides or the joints. And I'll do that, like I said, every 10 to 15,000 cycles, and that just keeps it moving really good. Now, it doesn't move as good in the winter time because this grease gets freaking solid. So I'll actually take a heat gun and sometimes warm up the base if I'm going to be reloading a ton in January, and that keeps it nice and lubricated and working super great like it was brand new. So other than that, that's literally it. Like, there's really no magic sauce to keeping your press working great. I'm going to keep it clean, keep it lubricated, and that's about it. Okay guys, if you have any other tips or tricks on how to keep your press clean or lubricated, please put those in the comments below. Okay guys, thanks for watching.